Hey guys, welcome back. So it is about 7 in the morning. I did not get to finish recording yesterday because after my husband got back home with his best friend, we had to go run to IKEA. We also had to stop at a couple of stores, and we went out to eat to take him to Peli Peli, that South African restaurant that my husband and I like. So when I got back last night, it was so late I didn't get to finish short. So I got up early this morning to go ahead and finish the bathrooms and the game room. I got downstairs finished, but I didn't get to finish the bathroom and the game room. And like I said, it's not a deep clean, it's just a soft clean with me for now until, you know, the company is gone and Jaden and Jeremy and Kyron are at school. Then I can just really get into the cleaning. But as of right now, it's kind of hard with everything being kind of all over the place. Like Jeremy's mattresses has not arrived yet. I did buy them new bedding, but Jaden, our company is in Jaden's bedroom. I cleaned up that bedroom and bought new sheets and put him in that room. And then Jeremy is in the room with Kyron in the bunk beds. Jaden is on the floor asleep. I have no idea why, because he could have used the blow up mattress, but he said he didn't feel like it. So I need to get everything organized so I can get my family back comfortable, and that's what I'm working on. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this bathroom. We'll start on the bathroom. I went ahead and sprayed it down already with Clorox and Kaboom, and as you guys can see, there's some buildup along the tub there. So I'm gonna have to go to Lowe's today and see what I can get to get this scum and this buildup off of the wall, like the what is it called? The caulking is like turning brown. Well, it's turned brown. And so I'm gonna find someone to help me with that today. I'm gonna get that taken care of. I'm also, well, I'm not gonna tell you guys everything, but I'm getting ready to do some things in this bathroom this week, so be prepared for that. So let's just go ahead and get into the video.
You've gotten deep under my skin, and I still feel your power. You changed my voice, you locked it in, and put out any fire. And still with one touch, you got me where you want me, yeah. And it's like a rush, the waves that crash inside me, and you carved it deep into my heart, that you're the king of lions. The look of blue and killing smile, you put me more than under. And still with one touch, you got me where you want me, and it's like a rush, the waves that crash inside. We are paradise in crime. We are dynamite and blind. We are broken hearts that never mend, the finest form of bad romance. Dynamite and blind. Yeah, we are dynamite, dynamite, dynamite. Dynamite, dynamite, dynamite. I closed the door, went on my knees, but then to make it harder, you changed your voice, I let you in. Now we are going under. Still with one touch, you got me where you want me, and it's like a rush, the waves that crash inside. We are paradise in crime. We are dynamite and blind. We are broken hearts that never mend, the finest form of bad romance. stopped counting the days, lost in the rhythm. Physical silence, no need to speak a word, lay here beside me. Don't wanna move too fast, your lips on the floors, sipping on your love, sipping on your love. I never dare to ask if we're gonna last. I'm needing all your love, needing all your love. Oh, when you move, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I'm a sucker for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Make me, oh my God, open, we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I'm a sucker for hearts, I'm a sucker for hearts. Your blood is pumping, I feel it in your veins, surfing your heat waves. Your taste is different, somehow it makes me brave. Chemical nature. Don't wanna move too fast, your lips on the floors, sipping on your love, sipping on your love. Oh, when you move, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I'm a sucker for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Make me, oh my God, open, we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I'm a sucker for hearts, I'm a sucker for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts. Oh my God, I'm a fool, thought I'd never fall into you. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It's so cruel how I'm loving the things you do. Ooh, yeah. Oh, when you move, oh my God, you know you're playing your cards so right. Oh, I'm a sucker for hearts, just in the dirty clubs and diamonds. Make me, oh my God, open, we'll hold our faces straight. Oh, I'm a sucker for hearts, I'm a sucker for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts, hearts, hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts. Don't wanna move too fast, your lips on the floors, sipping on your love, sipping on your love. I'm a sucker for hearts. My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you looked at me, and it's hard to explain it. Thinking about you makes me crazy. All the things you did to me, you showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
Okay, so this bathroom is completed. This is the second bathroom. So I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. I had mentioned on Instagram I posted some paint samples next to the cabinet because in my mind I was going to repaint these cabinets a dark blue color, but something that I just realized is that it's not real wood and it's actually coming apart. It's actually coming apart. So what I am going to do is go by the Habitat of Humanity and see if I can find some reasonable vanities, because I wanted to replace this one anyway and put a double sink in here. So I'm gonna see if I can go by the Habitat of Humanity and find some more vanities to put in this bathroom and the one down there, because I just feel like they need to be replaced. The countertops need to be replaced. It won't be something that's gonna happen immediately. I'm just gonna go by there and see if they have something. If they have something that's in a reasonable price, then I'll go ahead and get it. But if not, I'll continue to save and wait. Also back there, I'm not sure what that is on the wall, the white stuff that you see there, but I'm getting ready to head to Lowe's. So I'm gonna go by Lowe's and get a scrub brush. Just pretty much clean this whole thing, the whole towel, all of the towel back there. I'm also going to be replacing those three. I still have to find something to get that goo off the crown molding. I mean, the caulking that's around the tub. So I have to replace that. There's a couple of things that's going to be taking place. I still have to get the floors done. As you can see, there's still some stains in the grout. So I still have to get that done. But other than that, so far, I like everything. I like how bright it looked and how open it looked. how open it looked. So this is it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this hallway. And finish doing the family room. So I'll let you guys watch that also.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kind of feels like wasted.
Alright, so that part of the house is all done. That is all cleaned up. The bathrooms are all cleaned up. Now I just have this mess over here I need to clean, and this area. So this area is kind of going to be a little out of whack until Wednesday, because as you can see, all those cords that are back there and all this mess that's going on, somehow the TV cord was broken in the process of us taking down the TV and it being down. So we have to go to Best Buy today to replace the cord for this TV. So we're going to do that, and then we have someone coming on Wednesday to come and fix this area up, and the furniture will be delivered here on Wednesday also. So I'm just giving you guys an update that it is coming along. There are some parts that I missed in the restroom, and the reason why, you guys, is because I got so upset with how the bathroom looked. I stopped recording. I had to shut the camera off. I was just so upset and taken back at how dirty the bathroom really was. When you're trusting that your kids are doing their chores, they just really are not, and you have to come up here and do it yourself. But I just really believe that they were doing it because, I mean, they're old enough to learn how to clean up behind themselves, and they did not. So
I'm going to Lowe's also to replace the toilet seats. Yeah, I have to replace the toilet seats. So that's just one of the reasons why you missed some parts of the bathroom and I had to shut the camera off. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up this area, guys, and that'll be it for today.